Hello, it's Carol again, the chef from Transylvania. Today I'm gonna show you how to make new potatoes in the oven. If you don't have new potatoes like I do, you can also use the normal potatoes, but you need to clear them really good to remove the extra sand from them and the other impurities. For this recipe that serve around like 3 to 4 people, you will need 1 kilo of new potatoes or normal potatoes, uh, 1 medium white onion, 3 garlic cloves, half tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and we will go on with the recipe. Now we're gonna cut the potatoes. We cut it very simple in 4 like this, you see, almost like the wedges potatoes, and we're gonna throw them in a bowl. Now we're gonna crush the garlic. We cut the white onion. We're gonna cut it julienne. We're gonna add the onion into the bowl with the potatoes and the garlic. Now we're gonna add the spices in the bowl. We're gonna add now around 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients to make a nice marinade on the potatoes. I've mixed all the potatoes with the spices. You see what a beautiful color they have. Now we're gonna add the potatoes in a baking tray or normal tray. Now the potatoes look like this, and we're gonna put in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 45 to 50 minutes. We will need also around 50 milliliters of water to put in the tray, so they will not get so dry. Now after 50 minutes we're gonna take out the potatoes. You see what a nice color they have. So that's how it look, the potatoes after 50 minutes. We're gonna put them on a plate. So in the bowl, the plate, we have a portion for one person, and totally we have around four portions here. Now we're gonna add a little sauce that the potato led with the oil. You take it just a little, like 1 spoon, because it's mostly oil, and they are kind of not so juicy if you don't put a little bit of the sauce from the potatoes. So these are my potatoes. You can serve them with a salad on a side. You can also serve them with some steak, some fried meat, or whatever you prefer. So I hope you're gonna like this video, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to make a chorizo and waxberry salsa that you also can use as a side dish for those potatoes. If not, you can also use your own salad recipe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.